Knock 3 times. Good morning, everyone. Fireside coffee here. Showing you my daily routine. What I do. What is wrong? What the heck's wrong with my coffee pot? The sound of good. I think the water is supposed to be going in, not out. So mad. Anybody know anything about this? Why is it doing that? The water is brewing back into the water reservoir. It is. What? It comes out of there. Hit brew. It's like the worst day ever. So I did some research on the Keurig. So if you're having this problem, here's what you want to look at. I don't know. I'm trying to get the lighting here. You see that little needle thing up in there? Apparently, if you use the reusable K-Cup pods and ground coffee, grounds get plugged back up into that needle, and it forces the water back into your reservoir. The problem is, I don't use reusable K-Cups. I use store-bought K-Cups. So what they say you're supposed to do, straighten out a paper clip and shove it up into that needle as far as you can to loosen up anything in there. And then you're supposed to just brew a cycle through. And if there's any coffee grounds stuck in there, it will flush it out. Well, I can still hear it. It's still coming through there. I got drippage, but that didn't work. Try this again. Oh, there we go. So, maybe it was coffee grounds stuck in there. I run vinegar through it. I run descaling solution through it. Sometimes I just run full pots of, or full reservoirs of hot water through it. Keep it clean. You're only supposed to use cool water, but I run the hot just to get everything all, in the reservoir, anything that could be built up in there. But yeah, that worked. Now it's actually brewing me 2 cups. I hope it stops and it doesn't overflow. But yeah, so there you go. If you're having that problem, stick a paper clip up there. What I don't get is that I use store-bought K-Cups. I do use a generic brand. I'll show you what I use. I actually found that this has become my favorite. I tried it first time because it was cheap. I've been probably drinking this for a year now. It is it's from Giant, 100% Arabica coffee donut shop blend, medium roast. And I found I really, really like it. And that big box of 36 is, I believe, $12. That's what came out. So maybe I'm thinking cheap K-Cups. Maybe it's something with the paper on them. Maybe it's not, maybe it's something with this paper on top. I don't know. I mean, the plastic itself, it feels like a normal K-Cup. It doesn't feel like a cheap thing. In fact, if anything, It probably feels thicker than the Folgers. Maybe that's the problem, I don't know. So if you're having that problem, that's the solution. I'm going to run a couple more cups through this just to make sure I get everything out. But there you go, guys. That's what came out. Thanks for watching.